In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to delete all comments from Excel cells at the same time. Now, sometimes when you have a spreadsheet and you want to start fresh, that sometimes means basically deleting all the comments from the cells. Now, you can do this manually in Microsoft Excel. You simply select each comment and delete them manually using the ribbon or the right-click menu. You can use VBA to do this, and you can also use the Go-To menu. Now, this lecture will cover the Go-To menu option. Right, so I've got a sample table here with 2 KPIs for 4 months, and I've got 2 comments. Now, I'm going to delete those 2 comments using this Go-To menu option. So the first thing you do is you press F5. You then click this button here, Special. Now, we want to select the comments. So this has already been selected by default. We then click OK. Now, if you can see here, this cell and that cell have both been highlighted because these cells both have comments attached. Now, all we have to do is right click and then go delete comment. And as you can see, the action is applied to both cells. So that's how we delete comments all at once in Microsoft Excel using the Go-To menu option. Now, again, because you're deleting all comments, I should stress the danger element to this because you could, by accident, delete something that's actually important. So what I would say basically is make sure your decision is researched thoroughly. And worst come to worst, you can always make a backup copy of your file before you delete all your comments. That way, if something does go wrong, you can go back to your previous copy. Okay, so that concludes this lecture. Thank you for listening and watching. We have seen how to delete comments all at once from an Excel worksheet using the Go-To menu option. Any questions or queries, please feel free to reach out.